Ever wondered why traditional APIs often fall short for modern web apps? As web applications evolve, their demands outpace conventional API capabilities, especially in frameworks like React and Angular. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. React and Angular apps require more than just data fetching. They need APIs that cater to dynamic, component-driven architectures, making traditional APIs seem outdated and inefficient. Enter Backend for Frontend, or BFF. Unlike traditional APIs, BFF is tailored to meet the specific needs of each front end, offering a more streamlined and efficient approach. Using BFF can significantly enhance your project's performance. It bridges the gap between front-end demands and back-end capabilities, ensuring seamless integration and user experience. BFF architecture is designed to act as a mediator between the front-end and back-end. It customizes API responses to fit the unique requirements of each front-end application. By acting as a bridge, BFF ensures that data is delivered efficiently and effectively, reducing latency and improving overall application performance. When implementing BFF for React, focus on component-specific data needs. Tailor your APIs to deliver only the necessary data, optimizing performance and reducing load times. React's component-driven nature benefits greatly from BFF. By aligning API design with React's architecture, you ensure a smoother, more responsive user experience. Angular applications have their own set of requirements. Implementing BFF here means understanding Angular's dependency injection and modular structure to create efficient APIs. By designing APIs that cater to Angular's unique architecture, you can enhance data handling and improve the overall efficiency of your application. Let's look at real-world examples of BFF in action. Companies have successfully implemented BFF to overcome challenges and optimize their web applications. These case studies highlight both successes and hurdles, offering valuable insights into the practical application of BFF in diverse scenarios. To design effective BFF APIs, follow key best practices. Focus on simplicity, scalability, and maintainability to ensure your APIs meet evolving application needs. Avoid common pitfalls like overcomplicating API logic. Keep your design straightforward to facilitate easier updates and integration with front-end changes. Ready to implement BFF in your projects? Start by assessing your current API structure and identifying areas where BFF can enhance performance. Explore tools and resources that support BFF development. These can streamline your implementation process and provide guidance as you adapt to this new approach. Recap. We've explored the limitations of traditional APIs, the benefits of BFF, and how to implement it for React and Angular. By adopting BFF, you can optimize your web applications. By embracing BFF, you'll bridge the gap between front-end and back-end, ensuring a seamless user experience and efficient data handling. Now, it's your turn to take action. Begin by evaluating your current projects and consider how BFF can transform your API strategy. Join the BFF movement today. Start implementing these strategies and watch your web applications reach new heights of performance and user satisfaction.